Hello everyone, welcome to SkyTech Academy, a structural software training institute where you learn lots of practical engineering concepts. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic which is known as how to measure the dimensions when my model is logged for editing. Therefore, let's start with our video. So for that purpose, you need to go to first display and click over here undeformed shape. You can use F4 key from the keyboard to use this shortcut. Okay, simply press here undeformed shape. Then now you are not able to draw the dimension lines, and only way left is the measure the coordinate and find the coordinates, and from that you will be able to find the dimensions of particular element. But there is also one shortcut you can use as an alternative method. Simply right click over any particular member. Like I have to measure the dimension of this beam, then simply right click on this beam and go to geometry, and here you can see length in mm. This is equals to 2700. By default this option will be here on the assignment, so you need to go over here in geometry and you will be able to see the dimensions. Likewise, if I want to see the dimension of this line, then right click over here and you will be able to see the dimension as a length in mm. Mm means whatever unit system you have set in the ETABS model, in that unit it will show the dimensions. But for that purpose you need to go over here in the geometry, and in length section you will find the dimension of a particular member. Okay, so that's all from our side. This is how you can view the dimensions of a particular element after your model is logged for editing. Okay, so if you like our video, then please like, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.